Goodness.
Hello guys,
Welcome to Desi X Aussie.
मेरा नाम सारांश है
मेरा नाम Hannah है.
and I come from New Delhi, India.
And I come from Adelaide, Australia.
Welcome to the channel. And why are we making this channel, Hannah?
We're making it because to share to share our experience of
Life.
life and adjusting to his culture mainly because it's bigger than mine. I come from Australia. There's not really much.
So the plan for this channel is that we are going to India soon in like couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We will not tell you the exact date because that's a surprise. और
We also have another surprise coming up at the end of this video.
हमारा प्लान है कि हम 2 हफ्ते में इंडिया जा रहे हैं and we're very excited especially for the food.
Yeah, food. We're going to his cousin's wedding
Oh,
as well. We're going to the mountains.
stay tuned for that.
We're going
Stay
to
tuned for that too.
Rishikesh,
Stay tuned for that
Binsa.
too. Stay tuned for
Where
that.
else are we going?
We are going to multiple places.
We're
but
going to
for
explore
that,
around Delhi as well. So
हाँ भाई दिल्ली
there's going to
घूमनी
be
है.
a lot of Delhi. And
तो
Google
मुझे
content.
comment section में suggest me some places because originally I am not from Gurgaon. मतलब मैं I was born and brought up in Delhi, and then I moved to Australia like 5 years ago. बाकी आज का प्लान है, आज है Saturday. Today is Saturday. Today is the cleaning day of my house.
It's very warm outside, so we're staying inside. And
हाँ आज हम अंदर ही
Cleaning.
बैठ के बना रहे हैं. Laundry, vacuuming, mopping,
Are you
dishes.
cleaning the toilet?
Yeah, I don't know. You have to like. I have never done this in my life, man. Since I've come to Australia, I'm a servant. हमारे यहाँ सब होता है यार. नौकर चाकर घूम रहे होते हैं.
And he's a single
क्या
child.
समझेंगे बचपन में मजदूरी. What time did you start work? What age did you start
When I
work?
was like 13.
देखो यहाँ पर भाई चाइल्ड लेबरिंग है and child labor is illegal in India. Do you know that? But anyways, stay tuned. I'll show you my house and let's get cleaning, bro.
Let's go.
ये मेरा घर है and I don't own this, of course. But this is a very huge house.
Hello.
4 bedroom.
It's too sunny.
Come in the
outside.
sun. Come in the sun.
No, I will.
ये देखो दूसरा सूरज निकल के आ रहा है.
Look away.
The second sun is coming out.
Buy some sunglasses.
So this is the house. यहाँ पर अभी हम बढ़िया पोछा वोछा लगाएंगे. वैक्यूम करेंगे. ये मंदिर है यहाँ पे. That's the temple. Yeah, man, I'm good. How are you? And ये stairs यहाँ से ऊपर जाती हैं. And there are all the rooms upstairs.
We got our tripod here.
And this is
Got
another
the ring light.
living room. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे living room हैं. This is one living room. That is also one living room where the temple we have made. And this is the main living room. Happy birthday. And
prepared.
this is the kitchen जहाँ रोहित भाई खाना बना रहे हैं. क्या बना? ब्लॉग चल रहा है. Yes.
भाई हरियाणा से हूँ वैसे गांव मतनेल जज्जर डिस्ट्रिक्ट और करनाल में पैदा हो रहा हूँ
और बन के रहा है.
उत्पम बनाने लग रहा हूँ और भाई इधर गट्टे की सब्जी बना रखी.
वाह भाई वाह. मौज हो रही मौज.
हाँ, और इधर भाई दाल गर्म होने लग रही है, दाल मखनी.
सूता देसी खाना.
हाँ और भाई सलाद काटेंगे, प्याज टमाटर और खीरे.
फन.
कति स्वाद ले लें खाने का. और क्या, दही भी है गल.
थैंक यू रोहित भाई.
बाकी भाई गोरी गल कंटिन्यू रखो. What you said?
Continue with the white one.
Someone
He
needs to
said-
teach me Hindi.
So यहाँ भी we have to clean all of the floor. And this is one living room. This is the dining area next to the kitchen.
Oh, show them the cake holder.
That's the cake holder
He had
जो
it
आना
for
मेरे
his
birthday पे लाई
birthday.
थी. And this is the backyard. ये सारा बैकयार्ड है. बैकयार्ड में भी हमने एक काउच रखा हुआ है. और उस दीवार के पीछे there's a railway track,
Yeah, on the other side.
and this is another back part of backyard. Not, I mean, it is the backyard, too. Side yard, you can call it. क्योंकि ये corner house है,
Ooh.
side yard बहुत बड़ा है.
These
तो ये
lights,
सारा area इसी घर का है.
I
So
think these
it's a
lights
huge
have
house.
come down.
And yeah, these are the lights we have to take out क्योंकि ये हमारे birthday पे लगाई थी.
Are we taking down all the lights?
Yeah,
Or not those
we have
ones?
to take out all the lights.
Even those?
Yes. La 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 la, how we met. So how we met, guys, is a funny story. We met through a mutual friend.
We didn't go out for like 6 months though, first. Because
हाँ पहले एक साल
it was
तक
like,
हम 6 महीने एक साल तक तो हम like we were just Snapchatting each other, and then
here and there, yeah.
we decided to catch up one random day, and then we went to Hungry Jack. नहीं. Carl's Jr.
Very
for a-
romantic first date.
And our first date was very cute. I think it was one of the best date you could do.
Acha, really? Yeah.
क्योंकि
one
हमने
of the best.
मैंने एक आइसक्रीम सैंडविच मंगाया. मैंने क्या किया? We were like two of us, and I ordered one ice cream sandwich. You know, tell what happened.
No, you keep going. It's fine. You say it.
कुछ नहीं, ये खा रही थी और मैं ये भी खा रही थी. मैं इसकी आंखों में देखा, मैंने कहा very hot. Jokes apart, today is Saturday and temperature is 30 degrees in Adelaide. Like never trust 3 www of Australia. Work, women, weather. They say us like very. मैं तो कहता हूँ कि. So let's jump to cleaning the house. और न्यूट्रिशन के लिए हम थोड़ा प्रोटीन ले रहे हैं.
Protein.
And this is not a subscribe video. अरे चलो चलो. Not sponsored, sorry.
They're called
डोला
dairy
चेक गाइस.
farms
डोला HD में डोला भाई का.
and Cadbury.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ना ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत मिलती हैं. लाइक इट्स वेरी इजी टू कंप्लीट प्रोटीन इनटेक. अगर आप एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल जीना चाहते हो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आप रह रहे हो, आप कहीं घूमने भी जा रहे हो तो हर पेट्रोल पंप पे प्रोटीन शेक मिल जाएगा आपको. लाइक नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव.
It's cheaper in India, isn't it?
It is cheaper in India, but if you can find it. In India, like you can't easily find protein shakes as easy you can find it in Australia. सफाई करें, cleaning.
I'm gonna get the whip out.
क्या हुआ भैया? प्रोटीन पी लीजिए, फिर मजदूरी करेंगे. सफाई करते हुए क्या पाया गया? Mr. Spider-Man.
So guys, we've mopped the floors. Look. He's mopping the floor.
शर्मा जी का लड़का पोछा भी लगाता है गाइस. So you know when you come to Australia, you have to be prepared to do everything by yourself, be independent, because there's no maid or काम वाली दीदी. जो आपकी help करेंगी.
It's basic life chores, you know what I'm saying?
Alex और Tommy आ रहे हैं और उसके साथ हम थोड़ी DJing करेंगे. But they want me to play a DJ session for them. Let's finish the house because I'm tired. So guys, with that the house is done. और पूरे घर को साफ करने में 1 से 1.5 घंटा लगता है. 4 people living in this house, तो हर हफ्ते someone have to do it. तो ये हफ्ता मेरा था, तो मैंने सफाई करी है.
But it's the last time you're cleaning, and then you go to India for a month and a half.
Yes, that's the best
so-
part. क्योंकि next week अपन इंडिया जा रहा है.
Yeah, we might take you guys for a hike around Adelaide Hills. It would be really nice. There's so many nice hikes and views.
And beautiful views. Adelaide दिखाएंगे आपको.
About that surprise we had at the end.
Oh yeah, there's a little surprise we kept for the end.
So
And the surprise is that we both are moving to India this year, and we're very hyped about this क्योंकि मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया आया था and it's been 7 years almost I'm in Australia.
I've been in Australia my whole life, so this will be
Yeah, this will
me
be
moving abroad for the first time.
she
Oh my
moving
gosh.
abroad and me going back to India. Came here as an international student
So you'll get to follow us on our journey now.
Yeah, and there are
moving
questions in your head. Why am I moving back? Did I not like Australia? And why is it that I am moving back to India now? Or like there would be questions, and please fill out the comment section with the questions. I would love to answer any of that in the next video. And any questions for Hannah are most welcome too. तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन है कि हमारी लाइफ कैसी चलती है और
They'll probably be like, why are you moving to India? Like, you're in Australia.
और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है हैना का डेटिंग एन इंडियन बॉयफ्रेंड कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है
It's been good. Yeah, not Bollywood dramatic yet. But
तो stay tuned to the channel and spread some love. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching Desi X Aussie.
yeah, let's do this.
Ram Ram.
Ram ram.